Welcome to the next video of the last section, the patrol state. In the previous video we have learned about finite state machines. In this video we'll learn more about patrol state. The first of the three states to implement for the NPC AI is the patrol state. In the previous section we configured an animated patrol object, which the NPC should follow continuously during this state. The patrol object moves around the level from a predefined animation asset, changing from one position to the next. However, previously the NPC simply followed this object without end, whereas the patrol state requires the NPC to consider whether the player can be seen on its route. If it can, the state should change. To support this functionality, the patrol state and start function of the enemy AI class has been coded, as featured in this code. The start function sets the initial state of the enemy character to patrol. The coroutine AI patrol handles this state. The AI patrol coroutine loops infinitely for as long as the patrol state is active. Remember that an infinite loop is not necessarily a bad thing when used in a coroutine and in combination with a yield statement. This allows prolonged behaviors to be coded neatly and easily over time. The setDestination function is called to send navMeshAgent to the specific destination. This is followed by a path pending check, which is a variable of the navMeshAgent. This check waits until the path pending variable is false, indicating that a full traversable path has been calculated from the source to the destination. For short and simple journeys, a path may be calculated almost immediately, but for paths that are more complex, this can take much longer. During the patrol state, we constantly check the line sight component to determine whether the enemy has a direct line of sight to the player. If so, the enemy changes from the patrol state to the chase state. Remember that the yield return null statement will pause a coroutine until the next frame. Now, drag and drop the AI enemy script to the NPC character in the scene if you haven't already. The patrol mode is configured to track a moving object, that is, the enemy will follow a moving destination. A moving destination was created in the previous section using the animation window to move an object around the scene over time, jumping from one place to another. To achieve movable objects, create one or more destination objects in the scene and assign them a dest tag. Remember that the start function for AI enemy searches the scene for all objects tagged as dest, and it uses these as destination points. Great, we've successfully learned about the patrol state. In the next video, we'll learn about the chase state.